Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness at the very top. Somewhere at the top you will find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click, again click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and if you see retry option to update, you can hit retry, you can update once again. Still not working, go to Windows settings and then you can go to Windows Update and over here you can see pause option. So hit pause and once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. So sometimes just pausing and resuming the updates works. So you can try this. If that does not work, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here. Copy the first command, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste the second command, copy and paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516 and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command over here. In my case, the version is 25H2. So check your version over here and then open Windows settings and then go to system over here. Scroll down. At the bottom here you can see about option, hit about and check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So check your system type and then you can check your version and system type. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now this is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download over here and over here you will see the update KB5085516. Click on it and then let the download complete. This will take some time and once the download is complete you can click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. Once done, restart your computer and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, here you can see recovery option, click on it and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take some time and once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then once the download is complete you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next over here. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Now this process will take some time. And once the download is complete, you can click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.